everyone, I'm Kelly Schaffner and I have a mystery box. Look how fun this box is, guys. It's got stickers everywhere. It looks like so much fun. This is a mystery box filled with clothing that I expect to resell in my Poshmark closet and eBay stores. If you're new to my channel, that's what I do, guys. I'm an online reseller of women's pre-loved shoes and clothing. So if you like videos about reselling, I sure hope you will subscribe and join me for another video. Today's video is extra special, guys, because today's video is a collaboration video with my friend Lissette at NewEngland BettyBoop right here on YouTube. She is also Poshing is My Purpose on Instagram, and I am going to leave all of her details in the description box below. So when you have finished watching this video, guys, I sure hope that you will pop on over to Lissette's channel and check out what I sent to her. Most of the items I sent to Lissette came from Phoenix, Arizona. I recently went to the bins and picked up several pounds of clothing to resell, and I filled a box for Lissette. Now, Lissette doesn't go to the bins as often, but Lissette lives in Massachusetts, so this is a representation of some of the items that she thrifted in Massachusetts. So Massachusetts versus the Southwest, I guess. Really, this is just a fun collaboration with a friend of mine, and I encourage you to go over to Lissette's channel and show her some love, subscribe. Lissette has been on YouTube for a while, but she has recently made a commitment to put videos out and gain some traction right here on YouTube. I know you're gonna love Lissette. She is such a strong force in our reselling community, and she has been such an inspiration and encouragement to me. So I feel so honored to be making a video in collaboration with my friend Lissette. I know you're dying, and so am I, to see what's inside this box. I'm gonna break so you don't have to watch me cutting all the tape. Okay, box is open. I do see a card on top, and she did put some tissue in my favorite color. If you didn't know, red is my favorite color. So let me open this card. I just read this kind of long card that Lissette sent. I'm not going to share it with you because it's humbling to me, because Lissette actually thanked me for learning with her. I love that about Lissette, is that we get to do this together. That's one of the reasons that Lissette inspires me, guys, is because she is a student and learns along with me. I have a hard time with people that tell me what to do. If you don't know, I am in recovery, guys. I am in recovery from drugs and alcohol, like 18 and a half years. God willing, I'll celebrate 19 years this year. And one of the dominant traits of people like me is we don't like to be told what to do, but do it right beside me, and I learn a lot from you that way. And that's how I feel about Lissette. That is just my personality. Works better with people that are willing to stand beside me, not in front of me. So Lissette, thank you for this lovely card. You want to see what it looks like? It looks like this. Everything is wrapped in plastic, so I will cut away so you don't have to listen to this. Oh, there's two items here. Okay, the first thing is speed control, size small. This is a cute little dress by the brand Speed Control, a geometric print pockets, and that is a zip pocket with a cinched waistband. Super cute. We did decide upon a spring theme, and I can see that Lissette kind of delivered on that. This is a beautiful shade of blue. It does have some interesting sleeve detail. It's got that open sleeve and a tie detail. And I do not know who you are. Vince Camuto. What size are you? Vince Camuto, size 14. This might be a dress. This might be just a short floral dress. I think it is, guys. Ooh, I like that. I like that. That might actually fit me. And next up, keeping with that spring theme, is Torrid, size 0. And this is, okay, is this a dress? Or is this a top? It's very, very cute. Perfect for summertime. It does have, are these adjustable? Yeah, adjustable straps on this piece, and this feels like cotton. I'm sure it has rayon in it because almost everything Torrid produces is a rayon blend, but this is in fabulous condition with a little ruffle detail on the front. I do love selling Torrid. This is so much fun. I have not unboxed a mystery on my channel in a while, guys. So this is pink, Victoria's Secret pink, and it is, what size? Why can't I see that? A size medium, I believe. Victoria's Secret pink. This is really cute. This is a raglan tee, and it's got the pink dog on it. That is super cute. And then we have a pair of shorts, and these you can see are Levi's. Are they 501s? It doesn't say, but they are Levi's. They look like they're a little bit small, and I don't see the size on them. Oh, they're right here, size 27. I love selling Levi's cutoff shorts. So that's a score. There is so much in here, and this one is new with tags. This one is Dana Buckman, and this feels really, really nice. So this is a Dana Buckman dress. I hope this is my size. This is a size medium. Yeah, I bet my sister likes this dress. Look at the prints on this dress. Very, very pretty. It does have an exposed gold zipper on the back. Dana Buckman, size medium, really pretty dress, and it feels silky. I'm sure this is polyester, but it almost has a satin feel to it, which I really enjoy. Okay, this next one, guys, I don't know what it is, but doesn't it scream springtime? Yeah, this is a print I love. I really like this. Who are you? Let's see. This is Breakin' Loose, and this is a size 4. I think this one is a dress. Breaking Loose, so cute. Love the print on this one, the greens, the blues on white. I'm all about white in the springtime and the summertime. Yeah, this is a beautiful dress. Very, very pretty, fit and flare style with a matching waist belt on it. This is the endless box. It just goes on and on, and new with tags. This is new with tags Zara. And this one is a US size small. What have we here? Okay, this definitely looks oversized for a small. This is a tiered, I'm guessing, mini dress by Zara, and this is the new label Zara. The MSRP is $49.90. Really, really sweet. Okay, look at this. And I think it had a tab sleeve. No, it doesn't, but it does have a bit of a Swiss dot fabrication, and this is a button front. I think this is a mini dress. I'll have to look it up. You guys, she included reseller goodies. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So I love these already. I love these. This is a red leather slip-on mule loafer. The brand is Venezia. It says Marcy Venezia. Okay, let me get up close so you can see that brand. I'm not familiar with this brand. They are leather. They're a size 38, which is my size. Now, sometimes I have to size up in a shoe that's a little pointy like that. These are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is totally a Kelly shoe. And look at the heels. They're like perfect. And I do like that interesting heel. I love these. I love this shoe. It looks like more shoes, right? It looks like more shoes. Which shoes are my favorite thing to resell? Guys, more red shoes. What's not to love? Oh, these are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Oh my God, I love these. What size are these? These are a 7.5. And I'm an 8, 8.5, guys. But these are a red leather ankle strap. And they're probably not leather, if I had to guess, because this is by the brand G by Guess. And normally they will use vegan leathers, but this is a blood red patent leather. Oh my God, like new. In fact, these look brand new. Let's look at the other one. She knows the way to my heart with red shoes. Okay, so my motto is if you're having a bad day, just put on a pair of red shoes. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in your reselling office, if you're doing your laundry, if you're making dinner, put on red shoes because it will change everything. Trust me, I wear red shoes more than you can imagine. I love these. That is so thoughtful. It's got this little G charm hanging off the side. That would look so cute on your ankle. These are beautiful. She didn't stop with the clothes, guys. She did send me some reseller supplies, which who doesn't love that? So first up is a bunch. Oh, thank you cards. Thank you cards right there. And these are, I think they're Vendu. Yeah, they are Vendu thank you cards. So that's nice. And a whole bunch of poly mailers. So how fun. Oh, and they are Posh branded. I think they say Posh Love, Ship Ship Hooray. Oh, I like this one. This one reminds me of my children. And oh my God, this is so fun. Thank you, Lissette. I use one color. I use the same poly mailers on all of my packages. So I do like to switch things up. And truthfully, I only switch them up when my girlfriends turn me on to new poly mailers. So thank you, Lissette. That's fun. Let's see what we have here. Who doesn't need this? We have some hand sanitizer. Oh, and food. Some granola bars. Yay. And of course, we have some hand sanitizing wipes, which I always have everywhere in my office, in my car, everywhere that I do my reselling business, I have hand wipes. Anyway, guys, I have a big stack of clothing to list in my Poshmark closet. This is so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are visiting me from Lissette's channel, I know you're not surprised at what a generous box she sent to me. I really hope that you will subscribe and join me for a future video, guys. Make sure that you run over to Lissette's channel with me. I'm going there right now to see her reaction to the items that I sent to her. Thank you very much for watching today. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.